In today's video, I am going to teach you how to trade on Pepperstone. To begin, make sure you are already logged in to your Pepperstone trading account on the platform you want to use. This could be MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, CTrader, or TradingView. Once you are inside the platform, you can start preparing your trade. Next, open the section where tradable instruments are listed. Depending on your platform, this may be called Market Watch, Watch List, or Symbols. This panel lets you view the assets available for trading, such as Forex pairs, indices, commodities, or other markets offered through your account. From there, choose the financial instrument you want to trade. Take a moment to confirm that you have selected the correct market. This is important because every instrument has its own price, spread, and trading conditions. After selecting the instrument, open the order window. On your platform, this may appear as a new order button, a trade option, or a direct buy and sell panel. Opening this window will bring up the trade ticket, where you enter the details of your position. Now choose the order type you want to place. You may be placing a market order if you want to enter at the current price, or a pending order if you want the trade to open only when price reaches a specific level. Select the type that matches your trading plan. Then enter your trade size or volume. This determines how large your position will be. Make sure the amount fits your risk management plan and account size before moving forward. If you want to manage risk automatically, set your stop loss and take profit levels. A stop loss helps limit potential losses if the market moves against you. A take profit closes the trade automatically when your target price is reached. You can add one, both, or neither, depending on your strategy. Before placing the trade, review all of the details carefully. Check the instrument, order type, volume, entry price if applicable, and any stop loss or take profit settings. This final review helps prevent simple mistakes. Once everything looks correct, click Buy if you expect the price to rise, or click Sell if you expect the price to fall. Your trade will then be submitted through the platform. After the position is open, monitor it from your terminal, trade panel, or positions tab. You can track profit and loss, adjust your stop loss or take profit, and close the trade whenever you are ready. That covers everything you need to know. Thanks for watching.